Let's be honest, cleaning data in Excel is boring, but we all have to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 Excel data cleaning tips in just 5 minutes. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. First up, splitting text into columns. For example, here we have messy CSV data with a bunch of values crammed into column A that we need to separate into columns for analysis. Instead of manually retyping everything, we can use the text to columns tool. Just select all of the data, go to the data tab, and click text to columns. Our values are separated by a delimiter, so we're going to leave delimited selected and click next. Now all we have to do is select the delimiter. In this case, our values are all separated by a comma, so we need to choose the comma option, then hit next again. Double check the preview, and if everything looks good, hit finish, and our data is instantly split into columns. Next up, fixing messy text. For example, here we have a list of names that our coworkers sent to us, and they are a complete mess. Some are in all caps, some have random uppercase and lowercase letters, and to make things worse, there are extra spaces scattered throughout. To clean these names, we can use the proper and trim functions. First, enter the proper function to convert text to proper case so that the letter of each word is capitalized, and then enter the trim function to remove all extra spaces. Now just select the first messy name, close both parentheses, and fill this formula down the column to instantly clean all the names. Next up, deleting blank rows. For example, here we have a large data set that we need to analyze, but there are hundreds of blank rows scattered throughout the data that we need to delete first. Not a problem, just press Ctrl+G to open the Go To dialog box, and then click the special button at the bottom. Next, select blanks to tell Excel to select all the blank cells, and then hit OK. Now that we've selected all of the blank rows, we just need to delete them by right-clicking any of the selected blank rows, choosing delete, and then selecting the entire row option. Press OK, and all of the blank rows are instantly gone. Alright, next up is removing duplicate values. Here we have another large data set that we need to analyze, but there are duplicate rows scattered throughout. If we don't remove these duplicates, our analysis will be completely wrong. To fix this, just select the entire data table, go to the data tab, and click remove duplicates. Excel will ask which columns to check for duplicates in, but in this case we're checking the entire table, so we can just leave this as is. Press OK, and all the duplicate rows are instantly removed. Last but not least, handling blank cells. Sometimes you get data where category names only appear once and the remaining cells below are blank, making it impossible to filter or summarize the data properly. To fix this, just select the entire table, press Ctrl+G to open the Go To dialog box, and click the special button at the bottom. Choose blanks to select all of the blank cells in our data table, and then click OK. Now that all of the blank cells are selected, we need to set each blank cell equal to the cell above it by typing an equal sign and then pressing the up arrow key once to reference the cell above. Now here's the trick. Instead of just pressing enter, press Ctrl Enter to automatically fill all of the selected cells with this formula, and we're done. And that's a wrap on 5 data cleaning tools in 5 minutes with some time to spare. Now you can quickly get your data cleaning done and move on to the fun stuff. As always, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more.